A judge in California has ruled there is enough evidence to charge the man accused of breaking into the home of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and attacking her husband. During the hearing, prosecutors played the 911 call and police body cam recordings from the attack in late October. Authorities also showed the alleged weapon, a hammer, saying the suspect struck Paul Pelosi very hard. And a police officer testified that the suspect also had plans to target others. That includes California Governor Gavin Newsom, actor Tom Hanks, and Hunter Biden. NBC News legal analyst Danny Cevallos is here with more. Danny, good to have you with us. Let's start with the basics. What was yesterday's hearing about? What happened?
A preliminary hearing is just a probable cause hearing. Is it more likely than not that a crime was committed and the defendant sitting over there committed the crime? If so, then the judge holds it over for trial. All that means is it moves from that courtroom and goes into the trial prep process. From there will be discovery. The prosecution will exchange documents, a lot of the documents and information that were referenced at this hearing. And it'll be body cam, 911 call. Not a very document-intensive case here because a lot of it we already know about.
I want to ask you more about that. I mean, yesterday prosecutors played the 911 call. They showed some of that body camera footage. It's obviously compelling evidence. How big of a role is that going to play as this case moves forward, especially if we do go to trial?
Body cam video as well as dash cam video has revolutionized the world of criminal justice. I mean, it's made a he said, she said situation into, oh, the video says and the video doesn't lie. So this is going to be pretty powerful evidence if the video shows what it's been said to show. And we know now that they showed it in court. So a lot of people saw what is on that video. It's not going to be a big surprise to anyone that this case was held over for trial. This is going to be a very challenging case for the defense because the evidence seems to be at this stage a slam dunk.
The suspect is also facing federal charges. He has pleaded not guilty. Will there be much overlap between those two cases?
Yeah, this is a very interesting discussion here of federal versus state authority. What you see in the state charges are classic. The state authorities are the ones that would normally charge this case if the Speaker of the House was not involved. It involves classic exclusive state cases. You've got burglary, or you've got home invasion, you've got assault, all of the things that normally are in state court. But there is a federal nexus because a federal official is involved and the attempted kidnapping. So you see a really interesting example of how federal and state jurisdiction overlap some, enough that you can charge someone for the same incident in both state and federal court, as long as the charges are separate enough. And here they are.
All right, Danny Cevallos breaking it all down for us. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.